Objectives: to identify which composite outcome measure most effectively distinguishes active treatments from placebo in randomized controlled trials, RCTs, of biologic or targeted synthetic disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, B or tsDMARDs, for psoriatic arthritis, PsA. Methods: a systematic literature review, Prospero ID, CRDU 45203, of Cochrane's Central Register of Controlled Trials, and PubMed identified RCTs comparing B or tsDMARDs with placebo, reporting clustered 2 of 7 composite outcome measures, shortlisted for evaluation by the Group for Research and Assessment of Psoriasis and Psoriatic Arthritis Outcome Measures in Rheumatology, GRAPPA-OMRACT, Working Group, American College of Rheumatology Response Criteria, Composite Psoriatic Disease Activity Index, Disease Activity Index for P. psoriatic arthritis, Minimal Disease Activity, Psoriatic Arthritis Disease Activity Score, and 3 and 4 Visual Analog Scale. Discriminant capacities were assessed using odds ratio OR for binary outcomes, with continuous outcomes converted from standardized mean differences and analyzed through network and multivariate meta-analysis techniques. Results: of 2,483 references, 24 trials were included, 43 randomized comparisons. CPDAI was rarely reported, and no RCTs reported 3 VAS and 4 VAS. The main network meta-analysis showed differences in performance for DAPSA versus ACR20 OR 0.8, CI 0.66, 0.97 favoring ACR20, DAPSA versus MDA 0.71, 0.57, 0.87 favoring MDA, and PAS versus DAPSA 1.35, 1.10, 1.66 favoring PASDAS. Supported by multivariate meta-analysis, MDA OR 5.06, 4.6.9, ACR20 OR 4.3.1 to 4.73, PAT 3.0 to 4.56, DAPSA 2.44 to 3.75, and CPDAI 1.86, 0.95 to 3.64. Sensitivity analyses confirmed a pattern of consistent numerical advantages for MDA and PASDAS. Exploratory analyses showed ACR70 had more discriminant capacity than ACR20 and DAPSA, but not ACR50, MDA, and PASDAS. Conclusions: AR20, MDA, and PASDAS demonstrated greater discriminant capacity than DAPSA. Exploratory analyses suggested greater discriminant capacity for ACR70 compared with ACR20 and DAPSA, but not with ACR50, MDA, or PASDAS.